In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subtask in Jira, a task that's straightforward yet essential for efficient project management. We'll guide you through every step, ensuring you grasp not just the how, but also the why behind each action, making your workflow smoother and more cohesive. Let's kick things off by logging into your Jira account. To do this, open your preferred web browser. If you're using something like Chrome, navigate to your Jira site, typically found at a URL resembling yourcompany.atlassian.net. Once there, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. In case you face any hiccups while logging in, it would be helpful to double check your details to ensure everything is correctly entered. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable, as it can often be an overlooked reason for login issues. Once you're logged in, the next step is to open the parent issue to which you want to add a subtask. Begin by navigating to the Projects section. This specific section serves as the cornerstone of your work organization by displaying all your ongoing projects and their corresponding issues. From the list that appears, select the project you're actively working on. Within this project, you'll find a list of issues. Take your time to scroll through these until you locate the specific issue you wish to attach your subtask to. Simply click on this issue to bring up all the details needed. With the parent issue open, it's time to move on to creating the subtask itself. Depending on the version of Jira you're using, this can look slightly different. You might find a More menu signified by 3 dots, or if you're lucky, a Create Subtask button right there on your screen. Clicking on this will open a form where you need to provide some basic but crucial information about the new subtask. Begin by entering a summary or title for your subtask. It's helpful if this title is clear and concise, clearly conveying its purpose. Next, you have the option to assign this subtask to a specific team member. While not mandatory, assigning it helps clarify who's responsible, streamlining your workflow by ensuring that team members are aware of their specific roles. Additionally, there's a field for description, which you can fill in to add further details, giving valuable context and aiding in clarity. Once these fields are satisfactorily filled out, proceed by clicking Create. This action saves your subtask, associating it neatly with the parent issue. Finally, you'll want to verify that your subtask has been successfully added. You'll notice it now appears neatly under the parent issue, fitting seamlessly into your task management system. This visual hierarchy provided by Subtasks allows for complex tasks to be broken down into manageable sections, thereby optimizing how your team operates and tackles their workload. And that wraps it up. You've now learned the full process of adding a subtask in Jira. By following these steps, you're better equipped to organize your projects and enhance collaboration within your team. Thanks for joining us in this walkthrough, and happy organizing!